Welcome to our NFC tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to write an address to an NFC tag. Today you will need a smart device connected to an app store and an NFC tag that's in-def formatted. We are using the SmartTrack Circus. So I typically use the NFC for iPhone app on the App Store, but while shooting this video, I ran across another app that has better capabilities specifically for writing addresses. So go ahead and download NFC Tools, a free app on the App Store which I've already downloaded. Tap to open the app, and once it opens, let's go ahead and tap Read. I want to show everybody that currently my tag just has our URL on it. Okay, so here's our store's URL. Before I go any further, I just want to remind everyone that NFC tags can say or show anything. I grabbed this white wet circus inlay from downstairs, but this could show your company's logo or give directions like tap for more or tap to connect, or in this case, tap to get directions. Now let's write our address. Tap to go back to the home menu. Now tap Write, tap Add a Record. Today we're going to do an address, so click Address. Let me quickly explain where you can run into problems with some NFC writing apps if you're writing something other than a URL. Most apps will let you write the address, but they do not tell the smart device what to do with that information. They simply write it to a blank space in the memory, so that if you tap the tag without an NFC app open, nothing happens. I'll show you what that looks like. I'm going to write an address to this tag in a different app that doesn't specifically tell the phone what to do with the address. Okay, it's written, so let's tap it with our smartphone. Nothing happens. Now let's open NFC Tools and try to read it. Okay, so here's what the information looks like. As you can see, the address is on the tag, but it's just in a text record field, and it doesn't prompt a smart device to do anything with the information when you tap it. Now back to the tutorial. Head to the second blank down on the page and type in your full address. Now go back to the first blank and type Edit. Here's where the app is going to encode what it wants the phone to do with that address. Do you want the phone to open Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or one of these other options? Today we're going to do Apple Maps, so I click Apple Plans. Then click OK. Now before I tap Write, I love how this app lets you know exactly how many bytes you're about to write, so that if you do get an error message, you can ensure that the data isn't too large for your NFC tag. Okay, now click Write. Now wave the tag on the top back of the phone and it will read easily. If you do get an error and your memory isn't too small, simply try it again. Sometimes the second time is the charm. Now let's check out what we've done. Wave your tag in the same place as before, and check out how that notification pulls down and allows you to immediately open your address in Apple Maps. It's so easy. And I love how Apple immediately asks me if I want directions, which is really nice for an application. So say you have a party, a work event, or you're trying to get somewhere new in town, you can simply tap an NFC tag to get directions directly on your phone. Thanks for watching our NFC tutorial. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one.